children. Hope you are fit and fine at home during national lockdown and working hard from the very beginning of the session. Welcome to the second part of the video, the fundamental unit of life. Last time we discussed cell structure, cytoplasm, nucleus, structure of plasma membrane, cell wall, and their function. And then last time we were left with the cell organelles. Now we continue with cell organelles one by one. Let us start with mitochondria. Mitochondria is covered by double membrane. It is present both in plant as well as animal cell. It's present only in eukaryotic cell. Mitochondria is called powerhouse of cell because it is a site of energy production, respiration and food oxidation. Energy is produced in the form of ATP molecule. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. It is the energy currency of cell. It is semi-autonomous in nature because it has its own DNA and RNA, so it can make its own proteins. Next, we take up plastids. Like mitochondria, plastids are also double membrane bound structures. They are present only in eukaryotic cells. But plastids are present only in plant cells, not in the animal cells. Then, like mitochondria, they also have their own DNA and own ribosomes. So, they are also semi autonomous. Plastids, they have membranous structures, thylakoids, which can trap solar energy, and these are the sites of photosynthesis. Plastids, they are of different types, mainly two types, colored plastids and colorless plastids. Colored plastids, again, they are chromoplasts which are of variously colored and they give color to different plant parts, like we see that fruits are of different colors, flowers are of different colors because of the presence of chromoplasm. Then another colored plastid, chloroplast. They are green colored plastid and they help in photosynthesis. Colorless plastids, leucoplasts, they help in storage of food material. Next, endoplasmic reticulum. Endo, inside, plasmic, cytoplasm. Reticulum is network. They form a network inside the cytoplasm. They are present only in eukaryotic cell as they are also membrane bound organelles. They are present in both plant as well as animal cells. Endoplasmic reticulum, they are of two types, smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the surface is smooth, it is without any granules. But in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, surface has ribosomes on it and some functions of endoplasmic reticulum, they are common, performed by both smooth as well as rough endoplasmic reticulum, like they help in the transport of materials within the cell from one part of the cell to another part. Some functions are performed only by smooth endoplasmic reticulum, like manufacture of lipids. Some functions are performed only by rough endoplasmic reticulum because they contain ribosomes, so they help in synthesis of proteins. Next, lysosomes. They are sac-like structures present in the cell surrounded by membrane. So again, present in the eukaryotic cells. These lysosomes, they contain digestive enzymes. So they digest worn out part of cell and cell organelles. So all damaged parts, they are destroyed by lysosomes. So they perform the function of cleaning the cell. When the cell get damaged, lysosome may burst and the enzyme digests the complete cell. So it's also called suicide bags of cell. Next, Golgi apparatus. It is it was described by scientist Camillo Golgi. It's a system of membrane-bound vesicles called cisternae. Function of Golgi apparatus is storage, modification, and packaging of different products. Golgi apparatus is also involved in the formation of lysosomes. Next, ribosomes. Ribosomes, they are not bound by any membrane. They are present in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes, but their nature is different in both. In prokaryotes, they are of 70S type, and in eukaryotes, they are of 80S type. They are made up of RNA and proteins. The main function is they are the protein factories of the cell. They help in synthesis of proteins. Next, vacuoles. Vacuoles are also membrane-bound organelles present in eukaryotic cells. They are of different types depending upon the storage material present in them. Sap vacuoles, food vacuoles, contractile vacuole. Membrane outside the vacuole is known as tonoplast. Inside fluid material is known as cell sap, and these vacuoles, they help in maintaining osmotic pressure of the cell, as well as they help in storing different materials, waste materials, food materials, and many other materials. This is a complete diagram of an animal cell or any eukaryotic cell. Here we have shown all the organelles together: nucleus, mitochondria, cytoplasm, Golgi apparatus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, plasma membrane, etc. So this is the animal cell. So here is a comparative study of plant and animal cell. Both diagrams, they are of eukaryotic cell with membrane-bound organelles. So we just concentrate on the differences between the two. In the plant cell, you see cell wall is present and then there is plasma lemma. But in the animal cell, cell wall is absent. Outermost layer is plasma lemma or plasma membrane. Then in the plant cell, here you see green colored plastids. But in the animal cells, these plastids, they are absent. In the plant cell, this vacuole is large and nucleus is not exactly at the center. And here in the animal cell, you see only small vacuoles. And usually nucleus is in the central position. So these are the few differences between the plant and the animal cells. So let us discuss these differences in the tabulated form. We have studied all the organelles present in an eukaryotic cell, plant cell, and animal cell. Let us focus on the differences between the two. First, cell wall is present in the plant cell, absent in the animal cell. Plastids present in plant cell, absent in the animal cell. Usually, centrioles and centrosomes, they are absent in the plant cells and these are present in the animal cells. So I'm using the term usually because there are so many exceptions to these. Vacuoles are large and less in the plant cells, and vacuoles are small and many in the animal cell. Usually, nucleus lies on one side in the plant cell and usually it is in the central position in the animal cells. So these are the few differences between the plant and animal cell. So let us come to the this newly added topic of the chapter, cell division. Cells, they divide to form new cells. Basically, there are two modes of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is a type in which one cell it produces two daughter cells. Meiosis is a cell division in which one cell produces four daughter cells. Another basic difference between the two is in the mitosis, daughter cells they have exactly same number of chromosome as the parent cell. But in the meiosis, daughter cells have half the number of chromosome as compared to parent cell. So mitosis is equational division, meiosis is reductional division. Cell division is essential for the organism. It is required for growth. It is required for repair of cells, different parts, as well as it is required for reproduction. Mitosis is usually done for the growth and meiosis for sexual reproduction. So this is about the cell division. Thank you and take care.